I've been fishing since I was 5 years old. Fishing is my life. If you ask anyone who knows me, they'll tell you fishing's in his blood. Let's go fishing. Freshwater, saltwater, even fly fishing. Explore the marsh with the Marsh Marshal.
Woo! Hello world! Man, that was an okay trip. I had some fun. A little slow here and there. It started off good this morning. They were busting on the top, cutting up at daybreak, but man, they kind of contrary. They're chasing so much minnows right now. They're not really worried about what you throwing. If you catch them busting at a bait and you throw right there, yeah, you stand a chance. You're getting mostly reaction strikes right now. So I'll take that all day. You know, I threw on the bottom, bounced that bamabug bang stick. I actually cut it, made it shorter like a hula stick, and that caught me a couple nice fish, man. I missed a nice one. He got off about 5 feet from the boat. I don't know what happened. I thought it was a little one, but you know how that turns out. It could be a big one, so I guess that's my fault. That's fishing. Well, that's the report for the day. Marsh Martian, out. Alright, world. Let's go get these fish today. We need some groceries and everything. It looks beautiful out here this morning. It looked like catfish butt up morning. I just hope the fish feel like that. Oh, I sure need some fish. I ain't got no videos because I've been busy. Ain't even had time to make a video. Got a new bait I made. I want to try. Prototype. Got the fly rod with me this morning. We're gonna put it into use sometime. I'm gonna start early. Keep it on this white this morning. We'll start off with this white. Then we're gonna start off with the backlash. Really? Come on now, this is not the way to start. First cast, backlash. Plan on going out here working the grass edge, working the shoreline, work my way into the marsh, and see what's going on out there. And this braid got a love-hate relationship. And it's calm out here. Heaters is buzzing. So, first hit. You don't have the downside, chasing minnows, so. Oh. Little boy finally hit. At least something hit. Oh. First fish of the morning, y'all. Old streakz. Nothing to brag about, but she's a fish. Thanks for the bite, buddy. Time. I mean, you hit it 3 times. You did nothing. A little mini. But once again, thanks for the bite. I'm trying to go right along this grass edge and get these fish to react. They chasing these minis. go. Another little thing. It can't get big enough for me to eat. But hey, we appreciate it because they've been terrible lately. That little streakz putting it on this morning. Guess they want a smaller profile. Guess what? I'm going to give it to them. I'm going to give it to them. Cocktail. Dude, knocked it out the water and missed it. Them little ones. Oh, man. What's really going on? It's so small, they're missing it. Thank you, buddy. He just sucked it up. Oh, no! Oh! Oh! Oh, man! Oh, that was a good one. We've been looking for, and I miss it. Had him. Yeah. He ain't nothing. Bamabug. Bamabug. I cut down a bang stick. Hello world. Today's color was smelt. I was using the streakz 3.75 smelt color. That caught me a few bass. And then I ended up throwing the bang stick 5 3/4, but I cut it in half. Well, not in half, enough to make it the size of a hula stick. And that's what I caught my fish on today. Streakz 3.75 and a cut bang stick. The bang stick was a bamabug. Yeah, pretty nice color. I really like it. So that was the colors and the baits I used today. All right, world, Marsh. Oh.